This is experiment 4, and it is on page 108 of your Senior Chemistry textbook and workbook. Our aim is to measure the melting point of candle wax. The apparatus that you are going to need are the following: a candle, water, a knife, a Bunsen burner, a thermometer, a 500 milliliter beaker, gauze, a large test tube, and a retort stand.
Use a knife to cut the candle wax into small pieces. Ensure that all the wax pieces are more or less the same size. Fill the test tube approximately halfway with candle wax. Place a beaker filled with water on top of a Bunsen burner. Clamp the test tube over the beaker using a retort stand. Clamp the test tube in such a way that the basis of it does not touch the beaker. Place the thermometer in the test tube. Ensure that the water level of the tap water in the beaker is above the level of the candle wax. Heat the water in the beaker until the candle wax melts. Take the temperature of the candle wax every 30 seconds. Carry on taking the readings until the candle wax has melted completely and note the readings. Complete the table with the readings that you obtained. The temperature of the candle wax at the start of the experiment is 30 degrees Celsius. Complete the table with your temperature readings after every 30 seconds. The temperature of the candle wax remains at 30 degrees Celsius until it rises to 31 degrees Celsius after 180 seconds. The temperature keeps on rising gradually. After 11 minutes, the candle wax is completely melted and reaches a temperature of 70 degrees Celsius. The temperature at which our candle wax melted was approximately 70 degrees. The melting point depends on the type of wax used. Draw a graph of time against temperature to show the results you obtained. The resulting line shows that the temperature started to rise slowly at first, and then gradually increased until the wax melted completely. It is important to note that we use a water bath to heat the candle wax. Candle wax is flammable and should therefore not be heated directly. The boiling point of water is higher than the melting point of candle wax, which means that temperatures that are high enough to melt the candle wax can be reached using a water bath.
Our conclusion is: the melting point of the candle wax depends on the type of wax that is being used. The melting point in our experiment is 70 degrees Celsius.